Hi there, it's Ellie from Elfsight. Let's build your form builder widget and install it on your website with no coding in less than 2 minutes. Let's jump in and see how it works. Go to elfsight.com and open the widgets menu. Find Form Builder. Then click Create Widget to open the live editor. From here, you can start building your widget right away. Start in Build Form by generating a form with AI or adding fields manually to shape your widget. In email, set up notifications for yourself and automatic replies for respondents. Open Layout to choose the embed type, adjust the form width, and select a vertical, horizontal, or multi-step layout. In Appearance, pick a light or dark color scheme, set an accent color, and choose a font to match your website style. Then go to Settings to define what happens after submission, enable spam protection, set the language, and add any custom JS if needed. Finally, check Integrations to connect your widget to services like MailChimp, Google Sheets, Zapier, or webhooks. Finish the setup. Hit Add to Website to move on. Sign up or log into your account. Click Publish, then choose the free plan to continue. You'll see a pop-up with your installation code. Click Copy Code. You can install the widget on your Webflow website. Your widget can also be shared via a direct link. If you'd prefer not to set it up yourself, simply ask for a free installation from our support team. We'll take care of all the technical steps and make sure your widget is up and running. Now, let's add the widget to your Webflow website. Log into your Webflow account and open the editor for your website. Click the plus symbol icon in the Webflow designer. Drag and drop the embed element to the place where you want the widget to appear. Paste your Elfsight installation code into the embed code editor window, then click Save and Close. When ready, click Publish and select Publish to selected domains to make the changes live. That's it. Your Form Builder widget is now live on your Webflow website. And that's it. Your Form Builder is ready for visitors. All set in just a few minutes. Enjoyed the video? Support Elfsight, like, subscribe, and ask us anything in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.